Alright, so basically HIZERO H100 is a really smart product. So you can clean the table, the solid waste and dirty waste by one pass to clean the table. The traditional cloth actually is not cleaning the table. It spread the dust and dust from here, there, and back to the table. It's not cleaning, it's making the place dirty. But HIZERO H100, one pass, clean the table, solid waste and dirty waste at the same time. It also real-time self-cleaning. Alright, yes, it's correct. In the market, there's two camps. One camp is suction, the other camp is no suction. The suction is a conventional way of cleaning, but the issue is poor cleaning performance. It will trap dust and dirt inside machines. We have noise issue, we have emission of dust and dirt issue, low battery issue, lots of problems. The customer not happy with that. So this is a problem with the suction camp. No suction camp is the HIZERO using. Okay, using no suction technology, we can do better cleaning, longer battery life, more quiet operations, and more easy to maintain the machines. So that's the reason that we can change the world to have a better cleaning performance to not just people in one country, but all over the world, to change the practice to clean your floor. The traditional conventional fabric roller, they have got problem, trap dust and dirt. In the beginning, it's fluffy, it's good to clean, but after using probably 2 to 3 weeks or months, it traps so many dust under the roller, accumulating, so it will not be able to clean fruitfully again. But HIZERO is smooth and soft. It's a very good in water absorption, so it will not trap the dust and dirt when it's cleaning. It can be real-time self-cleaner. So a good water absorption and good water retention and durable. Under normal condition, if you use a HIZERO multi-roller, it can use for about a year if it's good maintenance condition. But the other one, the fabric roller, probably just 2 to 3 weeks or month, you have to replace a new one. So good cleaning performance, water retention, and durability is the competitive advantage of HIZERO multi-roller. For most of the handheld-based vacuum cleaner, they can only use to clean the window, only, not the table. But HIZERO H100R, it can clean the table, it can also clean the window. Okay, so we get multifunction. And regarding to the cleaning performance, okay, for the conventional one, you have to spray the water on the window and rub it and suction it. They're using a fiber cloth, so it traps dust and dirt on it. It cannot fully clean it. But HIZERO using multi-roller, it can real-time self-cleaning the roller itself when it is cleaning the table and also the window, so that better cleaning performance, easier to use. For the conventional vacuum-based cleaner, you need two machines. One machine to spray the water, rub it, and then suction it. It's very busy, right? But HIZERO, just one product, put on the table, push it, and put back and clean the table and clean the window. More easy to use.
I hope they remember HIZERO H100R to throw away their clothes mops.